Hello everyone, Justin here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw Butterfree, a butterfly type Pokemon. So let's start with its head, which is just a kind of roundish. Not quite touching at the bottom. And then we'll start drawing the body, which is smaller, an oval. Shift it off a little bit to the right. And we'll stop there for a second because we'll draw the front arms, which look like hands with 3 fingers. So 1, 2, 3. And now we can finish off the body going up. And we'll continue this line actually just to show that the head is in front of the body. And we can go ahead and draw his left hand as well. Point it to the left. So 1, 2, 3 fingers. And let's go ahead and draw his legs while we're at it. So the body is angled this way. So let's draw the one leg first. Just a long oval that hides underneath the body. And another one right here. And let's draw a couple eyes. And these are long ovals that are angled a little bit towards the center. So this one angled to the left first. Fairly large oval, and the other one will be angled to the right. Alright, so I'm gonna just shift over to my thinner pen just because of the detail here. Let's draw the nose or snout, and then underneath then are a couple teeth. Alright, let's draw the highlight on the eye. So an oval right at the top, and then another one just underneath that's a little bit darker. Now let's work on the wings. So from here we're going to go off from the top of the head to the left, maybe that far, and then this is going to go down as a nice curve that goes back underneath the one arm. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. And then under the arm. Let's do the other side. We're going to go from here. This is going to be larger because it's the closer wing. We're going to go out first. And then start curving it in. Okay, it's fairly large. And this is going to angle in a little bit first before we head back to the body. So out and then start heading back. So here we're gonna go connect to the body right here as well. So go down a little bit first and then up. Alright, let's draw the veining. Actually, let's draw the lower part of the wing. So now from here, the bottom of the wing, we're gonna draw a curve that goes down and meets up with this one leg, just like that, and it's gonna come in behind the leg, so let's just finish it off there. Alright, so this part will then go from this leg down and then back up, so here and up. Okay, so let's draw the main part of the wing here. There's this teardrop shape. So let's just start from here, go out, and then come back and narrow a little bit down to where the head is. And then let's do this side as well. So just go up and then back. Alright, so now we can draw some of the other veining. And I'm going to switch over to my other pen again. So let's start with this line here. So from here we're going to go out. And all the lines are basically going to look like they're radiating from the body. So there'll be a couple lines that go directly behind this teardrop shape. So let's go off to the edge of the wing. And then another one right here, just in between these two lines. And then there'll be 2 more lines that go this way. So let's start by drawing one right here. Let's just kind of divide this into three, and another one right here. Okay, let's do the other side. So again, we've got those two lines that come off the teardrop shape, and then one coming off the edge just like here, and one more right there, and then two more. Again, here's this section, we're going to divide into three, so maybe this line here would be right there, and then one more here. Okay, now he's got this black edge here that's scalloped, so let's just start here first. Starting from the top, we're going to scallop to the pair of lines, and then scallop to the next line, and we'll continue that through the rest of the edge of the wing. And we'll do the same here. Scallop right there, and then here, and we'll just keep going. Alright, let's go ahead and do the details of the lower wing, the veining. Again, just like here, we'll have the same thing going on down here. So right here, from this connection point of the lines, we're going to just draw a partial oval, and then over here. This time we're going to go down and meet up with this upper wing. And we'll have three lines here, so starting right off the end, and then two more, one here and another there. We'll do the same here. So let's say one there, there, and one last one. We'll also have the black coloration on the edges, so from here we'll scallop it to that line, and we'll just continue it for this part. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and color in those. I'm going to blacken those edges now. Okay, I'm going to just go ahead and add a couple shadow lines with my thin pen. So finally, I'm just going to thicken some of the outlines of the main body parts, just to set off the body from the rest of the detail lines. And there's a lot of detail lines going on here, so let's just do that real quick. And last but not least, we need to draw in the antenna. So just a couple lines that go from that go off the top of the head. So from here, and we're going to make the ends a little bit thicker. And another one right here. So I also need to darken the ends of these teardrop shapes of the wing. Alright, so this was Butterfree, another type of butterfly Pokemon. So thanks a lot for watching, and I really hope you got something out of this. And if so, please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye.